In this video, I'll show you how to prove trigonometric identities. This is question 1 in the series. The question asks, prove the identity secant x times cosecant x is equal to tangent x plus cotangent x. The first thing that I'll do is analyze each of these components, and secant is the reciprocal function for cosine. So I can replace this with 1 over cosine x and replace cosecant x with 1 over sine x, equaling tangent x plus cotangent x. Furthermore, tangent is defined as sine x over cosine x, and cotangent is defined as 1 over tangent x. Replacing tangent x with the following, you get cotangent x equaling cosine x sine x. So I'm going to replace tangent x with this and cotangent x with this, leaving me, and the left side stays the way it is, while the right side becomes, as mentioned, sine x over cosine x plus cosine x over sine x. Now normally when you prove an identity, usually you want to stick to one side, but in this case you'll need to manipulate both sides just a little bit to prove both sides. Next, what I'll do is multiply these two, then find a common denominator on the right side for the two terms. To find a common denominator here, you multiply the denominators together, and I'll multiply cosine x with that and multiply sine x with that, where I end up with sine x squared plus cosine x squared, while on the left side we have 1 over cosine x sine x. Now what's interesting about this is that sine squared x plus cosine squared x is equal to 1. That's a Pythagorean relation. Sine squared x plus cosine squared x is equal to 1. So we can replace this whole thing with 1. And if we do that, well, look what happens. The left side is equal to the right side. And so there you have it. That is how to prove trigonometric identities. Make sure to watch question 2 for another challenging example.